Hi, I'm Crista, and it's been about 2 months since I had the ALMI procedure. People started noticing that they thought I got a haircut. They couldn't really tell what I had done. It made me feel good because then I knew that it really looked like it was me, but they knew that something was different and I looked good. They noticed a difference. During the procedure, there really wasn't any pain. They took their time to numb my face, and so it really went pretty quick and I wasn't uncomfortable. Compared to the fillers, this is long-lasting, so it's more cost-effective in the long run, and you don't have to wait for it to wear off and then re-inject. This is just a long-term procedure that is cost-effective. And one word of advice, my mom always told me, don't wait till it's too late. Do things when you're thinking about it and it's not so dramatic. Just when you feel like the time is coming and you're looking a little tired, it's time to do it. Thank you, ALMI. I was starting to feel like I was looking older than my age due to many years in the sun, and now I can look in the mirror and I feel like I look a little younger than my age. Thank you.